I'm Michael from LiftRite Hire Sales. Thank you for the opportunity to quote on the Kobelco SK17 range. I want to take this time to obviously say that it is quite hard to get out to come look at the machines. So hopefully running through the key features that Kobelco have that set them apart from the rest of the competitors helps with the decision process. So we'll get stuck right into it. The first thing that I really want to mention is the way in which Kobelco protect the hydraulic rams. So you've got three main guards for the hydraulic rams, protecting one, the crowding. So as the bucket gets brought up or crowded under, if you have a load or say extra buckets loaded in for tie down, this is really going to prevent this from coming through and actually hitting the hydraulic ram. So you've got this replaceable guard just here. Now, as we know, the Kobelco SK17 range is really designed to get into those tighter spaces that the bigger units simply can't reach. So what Kobelco have done is they've thought of the overhead and forward collision as well. So if you are in those tighter spaces and you bring the arm up, you don't have to worry about this ram getting damaged. Same thing with the forward collision. If you drive that bit too far forward, or if you've slowed the machine around and you're not too sure which was forward or backwards, it prevents that from getting damaged, and as I said, it is replaceable. Next point, down here to the dozer blade, they've thought of the protection through here as well. So as mentioned, if you've got a load in the bucket and you've crowded under and it somehow gets loose and falls down, it's going to protect the hydraulic ram on the dozer blade as well. Through this point, the dozer blade does have extendable wings as well. This is easily adjustable without the need of tools. All you simply do is lift this pin up here, as you see, flip the wings out, put it into the extra socket, and then you've extended your dozer blade. Another point to mention is they have the replaceable cutting edge. So if you're going through and over some time of use, this starts to wear down, simply cut it off, re-weld another one on, and this prevents the main part of the dozer blade from being damaged. Another thing to mention, guys, is the retractable tracks that Kobelco have with the SK17 range. So this works in two ways. It's perfect for the SK17 to fit into those tighter spaces, but one thing that sets these guys apart is there's actually a self-cleaning mechanism that's in here as well. So as the tracks retract and extend back out, it is actually cleaning all the dirt and mud that builds up in those tracks over time. So if you are working in those softer materials, you extend the tracks out, and therefore it can get you on those softer surfaces, give it a bit more stability. But if you're trying to fit through those tighter spaces, this actually retracts within 1 meter. So 960 mils, these tracks can retract to. From here, as you can see, that Kobelco's design of the counterweight is not only designed to counter the weight, but also protect the undercarriage of the machine as well. So the counterweight starts from here and travels through to the back of the machine. Now obviously in terms of design, that's really important. Traditional excavator companies have a counterweight stuck on the back. Now where Kobelco have focused on is, not, as I mentioned, it's positioned through the undercarriage. So if you are traveling over those terrains that have sticks or bricks or some sort of material that could penetrate and damage the undercarriage, this is where we really set ourselves apart to make sure that you as an operator are securing your investment. While we're here, in terms of design, Kobelco have really focused on giving the operator and the people on the site ease of use in terms of daily checks. So you've got your sight glass just here for your hydraulic. Simply lift this up. To mention as well, guys, it is lockable. So if you don't want people on site going through, you can simply lock that there. But what we have is everything is readily available in terms of your filter, dipstick, oil, everything's ready to go. You don't have to worry about pulling components apart or having to rip things apart. Everything is there available for check at ground level. Continuing on from your daily checks, we have here your lockable diesel fuel tank. Simply open this up, red cap off. Now the good thing with this is it does come with a filter which can be clean, but this ensures that clean diesel goes into the machine, allowing for better performance. From here, underneath the operator's seat, we have the battery as well as the pattern changer. This enables all operators to be catered for, whether you're familiar with ISO or backhoe controls. Comfort is a big thing in Kobelco's eyes, as we do understand that whether you're the owner or the operator, you can spend up to 8 to 10 hours in the machine. So one of the things they focused on is the safety for the operator. regards to the 4-post drop FOPS level 1. With a wider entrance, it means getting in or out of the machine is a lot more comfortable, therefore a lot safer as well. Now, as we step into the operator station, there's 3 points easily to step into, ensuring that as you step into the unit, you are safe. As we sit down, we notice that we have a lot of space. We've got the lockable isolators to prevent the controls from operating if the machine is on, but it is very comfortable, which will help with that operator fatigue, because as Kobelco knows, this is where you guys do your work. Thank you for listening in, guys. I hope you can appreciate the Kobelco range a little bit more, because this, in my eyes, is a truly fabulous product. They have a 4-year, 4,000 hour warranty. They're the only company to offer up to 6 hours worth of travel for warrantable issues. They truly are a remarkable company and partnered with the support of LiftRite. I just want to say that our service parts department are still open, so if you do have any inquiries or any issues, feel free to either contact me on my details within the email or call the reception desk to ask for the department that you're chasing. But once again, guys, thank you very much, and I hope that if you have any more questions, you call me.